Hello friends, in my Jharkhand GK series today I will discuss the questions, multiple choice questions on Jharkhand language and literature. So first question is, what is the official language of Jharkhand? A. Santhali, B. Hindi, C. Kuruk, D. Nagpuri. Answer is B. Hindi. Hindi is the official language of Jharkhand while Santhali, Mundari, Ho, Kuduk, Nagpuri, etc. are recognized regional languages. Question number 2. Which is the most spoken language in Jharkhand? A. Mundari, B. Santhali, C. Hindi, D. Ho. Answer is C. Hindi. Hindi is the most widely spoken language in Jharkhand along with Nagpuri, Kurmali, Khotha and Santhali. Question number 3. In which script is the Santhali language written? A. Devanagari, B. Roman, C. Old Chiki, D. Bengali. Answer is C. Old Chiki. Pandit Raghunath Murmu invented the Old Chiki script for Santhali language. Question number 4. Nagpuri language belongs to which language family? A. Dravidian, B. Indo-Aryan, C. Austro-Asiatic, D. Tibeto-Burman. Answer is B. Indo-Aryan. Nagpuri is a dialect of Hindi belonging to the Indo-Aryan language family. Question number 5. Dharti Aba, father of the earth, is associated with which language and community? A. Nagpuri, B. Santhali, C. Ho, D. Mundari. Answer is B. Santhali. Birsa Munda, known as Dharti Aba, was the form of Munda Santhal community and is closely associated with Santhali culture and language. Question number 6. Mundari language belongs to which language family? A. Dravidian, B. Indo-Aryan, C. Austro-Asiatic, D. Tibeto-Burman. Answer is C. Austro-Asiatic. Mundari, Santhali, Ho, Kuruk, etc. belong to Austro-Asiatic language family. Question number 7. Albert Tudu is a famous writer of which language? Nagpuri, Santhali, Khotha, Kuruk. Answer is Santhali. Albert Tudu is a well-known poet and writer of Santhali language. Question number 8. Khotha language is mainly spoken in which region of Jharkhand? A. Palamu, B. Santhal Pargana, C. North Chota Nagpur, D. South Chota Nagpur. Answer is C. North Chota Nagpur. Khotha language is mainly spoken in North Chota Nagpur region of Jharkhand. Question number 9. Angika language of Jharkhand belongs to which language family? A. Indo-Aryan, B. Dravidian, C. Austro-Asiatic, D. Tibeto-Burman. Answer is Indo-Aryan. Angika, like Bhojpuri and Maithili, belongs to Indo-Aryan language family. P. Raghunath Murmu is associated with the development of which script? A. Santhali Old Chiki, B. Nagpuri Devanagari, C. Mundari script, D. Kuduk Roman. Answer is A. Santhali Old Chiki. Pandit Raghunath Murmu developed the Old Chiki script for Santhali language. Question number 11. Which Jharkhand language was included in 8th schedule of the Constitution in 2003? A. Nagpuri, B. Mundari, C. Santhali, D. Khotha. Answer is C. Santhali. Santhali was included in 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution in 2003. Question number 12. Who is regarded as the father of Nagpuri literature? A. Jaduram, B. Nandlal Tudu, C. Hari Ram, D. Jagannath Singh. Answer is A. Jaduram. Jaduram is regarded as the father of Nagpuri literature. Question number 13. Pura Baksa is a folktale of which tribal language? Answer option A. Santhali, B. Mundari, C. Ho, D. Kuruk. Answer is D. Kuruk. Kora Baksa is a famous folktale of the Kuruk Oraon tribal language. Question number 14. Which Jharkhand language is famous for karma songs? A. Nagpuri, B. Santhali, C. Mundari, D. Khotha. Answer is C. Mundari. Karma songs are sung in Mundari language, usually with group dances. Question number 15. Pahada Geet or Pahada songs are associated with which Jharkhand language? A. Nagpuri, B. Khotha, C. Santhali, D. Angika. Answer is B. Khotha. In Khotha language, Pahada songs are popular, reflecting rural life and culture. Thank you.